Let's work.
It's funny how niggas talk shit and slap my hands when they see me. They ask me why I take shit personal. Put your mouthpiece in, nigga.
2013, I'm coming. How's your boy?
This nigga throws hard as shit on me. Still here. What you think you're gonna do? Really? And you gonna lose that weight.
Heavyweights, yo.
And you gonna lose
As
that
far as heavyweights.
And you gonna lose that weight.
You know what I mean? BossNation, Zulu Nation all day.